LU factorization method. LU factorization method for finding solution of system of linear equations. Okay, LU factorization method. Suppose we have a system of equation. Suppose we have a system of equations Ax equals to B. We have a system of equations Ax equals to B. First, decompose the coefficient matrix A into product of two matrices L and U. Okay. Then LU x equals to B. We have a system of equations Ax equals to B where A is known, B is known, unknown is the variable x. First we decompose the matrix A into product of two matrices L and U. L is lower triangular matrix. L is lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. L is lower triangular matrix and U is upper triangular matrix. Okay, upper triangular matrix. L lower triangular matrix, U is upper triangular matrix. Then LUX equals to B. Suppose UX equals to Y. UX is Y. Then LY equals to B. Suppose UX equals to Y, then LY equals to, this is UX, that is Y. LY equals to B. We have a system of equations AX equals to B. A is known, B is known. We have to find the variable X. First decompose the matrix L into product of two matrices L and U. L is lower triangular matrix, U is upper triangular matrix. So A is known, so L is known, U is also known. So LUX equals to B. Suppose UX equals to Y. Then LY equals to B. Now L is known, B is known. We can calculate Y. L is lower triangular matrix, B is also known. So we can calculate Y by substitution. Okay. Then put Y here. Then U is known, Y known. We can calculate X. So we have one system of equations Ax equals to B. Now we have two system of equations Ux equals to Y, Ly equals to B. So indirectly we can solve Ax equals to B by LU factorization method. Okay. So for LU factorization method, indirectly we convert the system of equations Ax equals to B into two matrix systems Ux equals to Y, Ly equals to B. First solve Ly equals to B, this system, find Y, then put Y here, then calculate X. Okay, this is LU factorization method. Okay, now take one problem. Problem. Solve 8x1 minus 3x2, 8x1 minus 3x2 plus 2x3 equals to 20. 8x1 minus 3x2 plus 2x3 equals to 20. 4x1 plus 11x2, 4x1 plus 11x2 minus x3. 4x1 plus 11x2 minus x3 equals to 33. x3 equals to 33. 6x1 plus 3x2, 6x1 plus 3x2 plus 12x3. 12x3 equals to 36. 8x1 minus 3x2 plus 2x3 equals to 20. 4x1 plus 11x2 minus x3 equals to 33. 6x1 plus 3x2 plus 12x3 equals to 36. Okay, by LU factorization method. LU factorization method. Okay, so you have to solve the system of equations using LU factorization method. So the system of equations is 8x1 plus minus 3x2 plus 2x equals to 20, 4x1 plus 11x2 minus x equals to 33, 6x1 plus 3x2 plus 12x3 equals to 36. This system of equations can be written as Ax equals to B, where A equals to the coefficient matrix 8 minus 3 2, 8 minus 3 2, 4 11 minus 1, 8 minus 3 2, 8 minus 3 2, 4 11 minus 1, 6 3 12. 8 minus 3 2, 8 minus 3 2, 4 11 minus 1, 6 3 12. This is the coefficient matrix, and the vector x is the vector x1 x2 x3, x1 x2 x3. This is the vector capital X, and the vector b is 20 33 36, 20 33 36. This is the vector b. Okay, now we first decompose the matrix A into product of two matrices A into product of two matrices L and U. Product of two matrices L and U. Okay, so let L equals to L1. This is lower triangular matrix. L is lower triangular matrix. It is L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33. This is the lower triangular matrix L. L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33. This is the lower triangular matrix L. And the upper triangular matrix U equals to we consider the diagonal elements of the upper triangular matrix as 1. So it is 1 1 U12 U13 0 1 U23 0 0 1. Okay, we consider the diagonal elements of the upper triangular matrix. We consider the diagonal elements of the upper triangular matrix as 1. Okay, for solving this system of equations Ax equals to B, first we decompose the matrix A equals to product of two matrices L and U. This is the lower triangular matrix, this is the upper triangular matrix. For solving this, for factorizing the matrix A into two matrices L and U, we consider the elements of in the diagonal of the upper triangular matrix 1 1 1. Okay, then LU equals to A, that is LU equals to A implies L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33. This is L, and the upper triangular matrix U is 1 U12 U13 0 1 U23 0 0 1. This is L, this is U, equals to the matrix A. What is the matrix A? Matrix A is 8 minus 3 2, 8 minus 3 2, 8 minus 3 2, 4 11, 4 11 minus 1, 4 11 minus 1, 6 6 3, 6 3 12. Okay, 8 minus 3 2, 8 minus 3 2, 4 11 minus 1, 4 11 minus 1, 6 3 2. Okay, our target is to find all these coefficients L11 L12 L13 L11 0 L11 L21 L22 L31 L32 L33 U12 U13 U23. Just matrix multiplication. So L11 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. That is L11 equals to 8. So L11 is 8. Okay. Next, first row, second column. First row, second column. That is L11 into U12, L11 into U12 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0. That is minus 3. L11 into U12 is minus 3. Now, what is L11? L11 is 8. So, U12 is minus 3 by 8. U12 is minus 3 by 8. Next, first row, third column. So, L11 into U13, L11 into U13 plus 0 into U23 plus 0 into 1 equals to 2. So, this 2. Now, L11 is 8. So, U13 is 2 by 8. That is 1 by 4. So, U13 is 2 by 4. Sorry, 1 by 4. Next, first row, sorry, this is first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Okay, next. Second row, first column. So, L21 into 1, L21 into 1 equals to 4. L21 into 1 equals to 4. So, L21 into 1 equals to 4. So, L21 is 4. Next, second row, first column. So, L21 into 1 is 4. So, L21 is 4. Next, second row, second column. So, L21 into U12, L21 into U12 plus L22 equals to 11. L22 equals to 11. Now, L21 is what? L21 is 4. U12 is this is 4 into minus 3 by 8. U12 is minus 3 by 8 plus L22 equals to 11. So, calculate L22. L22 is 25 by 2. L22 is 25 by 2. L22 is 25 by 2. Next, second row, third column. That is L21 into U13. L21 into U13 plus L22 into U23. L22 into U23 plus 0 into 1 equals to minus 1. Okay. Now, L21 is what? L21 is 4 into U13. U13 is 1 by 4 plus L22. L22 is 25 by 2 into U23. U23 equals to minus 1. So, U23 equals to, just simplify, U23 is minus 4 by 25. Minus 4 by 25. Minus 4 by 25. So, U23 is minus 4 by 25. Okay. Next, third row, first column. So, L31 into 1 equals to 6. So, L31 is 6. L31 is 6. Next, third row, second column. So, L31 into U12, L31 into U12 plus L32 equals to 3. Okay. Now, L31 is 6. U12 is U12 is minus 3 by 8. U12 is minus 3 by 8. U12 is minus 3 by 8 plus L32. L32 equals to 3. So, calculate L32. So, L32, just simplify. L32 is 21 by 4. L32 is 21 by 4. Okay. Now, third row, third column. L31 into U13. L31 into U13 plus L32 into U23. L32 into U23 plus L33. plus L33. Okay, equals to 12. Okay. Now what is L31? L31 is 6. What is U13? U13 is 1 by 4. U13 is 1 by 4 plus L32. L32 is 21 by 4. Now U23 is minus 4 by 25. Minus 4 by 25. Minus 4 by 25 plus L33 equals to 12. So L33 equals to, just simplify, L33 is 567 by 567 by 50. 567 by 50. Okay. So what is L? L equals to, so L equals to the lower triangular matrix, L equals to 8 0 0, lower triangular matrix L equals to 8 0 0, 4 25 by 2, 4 25 by 2 0 0, 6 6 21 by 4, 6 21 by 4, 567 by 50. L equals to 8 0 0, 4 25 by 2 0, 6 21 by 4, 6 21 by 4, 567 by 50. This is L. L11 is 8, L21 is 4, L22 is 25 by 2. Just put. Now U equals to, U is 1, U12 is minus 3 by 8, U12 is minus 3 by 8, U13 is 1 by 4, U13 is 1 by 4, 0 1, U23 is minus 4 by 25, 0 0 1. So U equals to, upper triangular matrix U is 1 minus 3 by 8, 1 by 4, 0 1, minus 4 by 25, 0 0 1. Okay. So L equals to 8 0 0, 4 25 by 2, 4 6 21 by 4, 567 by 50. And U is 1 minus 3 by 8, 1 by 4, 0 1 minus 4 by 25, 0 1 0 0 1. This is U. Now for solving the system of equations Ax equals to B, first we have to solve the system Ux equals to Y. Let Ux equals to Y, where Y equals to Y1, Y2, Y3. Y1, Y2, Y3. Okay? So Ux equals to Y. This is U and X is X1. Ux equals to Y implies we have the system Ax equals to B. Ax equals to B and A is what? Lu. So Lux equals to B. Let Ux equals to Y implies Ly equals to B. Okay? So for solving this system Ax equals to B, first we have to solve the system Ly equals to B. Ly equals to B. L is known now. B is known. First solve and find Y. Then put Ly. This is Y. That is Ly. That is Ux equals to Y. Okay. See, Lux equals to B. Ax equals to B and A is Lu. So Lux equals to B. Now suppose Ux equals to Y. Ux equals to Y. Suppose Ux equals to Y. Ux equals to Y. Now put Ux equals to Y here. Then Ly equals to B. First solve this system. Ly equals to B. And find Y. Then put here Y. And then find X. So for solving this system Ax equals to B, first we solve the system Ly equals to B. Ly equals to B. And find Y. Then put Y equals to Y, the variable vector Y here, and calculate X. So first we have to solve Ly equals to B. This is L and the vector Y is Y1, Y2, Y3. The vector Y is vector y is y1, y2, y3. This is the vector. So we have to solve first. Ly equals to b. This is L, this is y equals to b. What is b? B is 20, 33, 20, 20, 33, 36. 20, 33, 36. Just multiply. That is 8y1. 8y1 equals to 20. 4y1 plus 25 by 2 y2 equals to 25 by 2 y2. y2 equals to 33, and 6y1 plus 21 by 4 y2 plus 567 by 50 y3 equals to 36. So 8y1 equals to 20, 4y1 plus 25 by 2 y2 equals to 33, 6y1 plus 21 by 4 y2 plus 567 y3 by 50 y3 equals to 36. Okay. Now, what is y1? 8y1 is 20. So y1 is 20 by 8. 20 by 8. That is 5 by 2. So y1 is 5 by 2. Now put y1 equals to 5 by 2 here and calculate y2. Put y1 equals to 5 by 2 here. y1 is 5 by 2 and calculate y2. Then y2 is 46 by 25. 46 by 25. Okay? Just put y1 equals to 5 by 2 here and calculate y2. y2 is 46 by 25. Now y1 put here, y1 equals to 5 by 2 and y2 equals to 46 by 25. Put y1 5 by 2, y2 46 by 25, calculate y3. Then y3 equals to 1. Okay? So the vector y is 5 by 2, 46 by 25, 5 by 2, 46 by 25, 1. This is the vector y. Okay. So we have solved the system Ly equals to b. Now we have to solve the system ux equals to y. ux equals to y. Now what is u? U is the matrix, upper triangular matrix 1, 1 minus 3 by 8, 1 minus 3 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 minus 3 by 8, 1 by 4, 0, 1, 0, 1 minus 4 by 25, 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 3 by 8, 1 by 4, 0, 1 minus 4 by 25, 0, 0, 1. This is the matrix U. Now what is vector x? Vector x is x1, x2, x3. This is the vector x1, x2, x3 equals to vector y. What is the vector y? 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 46 by 25, 1. 5 by 2, 46 by 25, 1. Just matrix multiplication. Okay. So x1 minus 3 by 8, x1 minus 3 by 8, x2 plus 1 by 4, x3 equals to 5 by 2, x1 minus 3 by 8, x2 plus 1 by 4, x3, 1 by 4, x3 equals to 5 by 2, 0 x1 plus x2, x2 minus 4 by 25, x3 equals to 46 by 25, 46, x2 minus 4 by 25, x3 equals to 46 by 25, and x3 equals to 1. x3 equals to 1. Now put x3 equals to 1 here and calculate x2. Calculate x2. Put x3 1 here and calculate x2. x2 is, just simplify, x2 is 2. x2 is 2. Now put x3 equals to 1 and x2 equals to 2 and calculate x1 from the first equation. And x1 is 3. Okay? So x1 equals to 3, x2 equals to 2, x3 equals to 1. This is the solution of the given system of equations. Okay? This is the solution of the given system of equations. Okay, by LU factorization method. Okay? We take one more problem for LU factorization method. Okay. Okay? Take one more problem for LU factorization method. Right. Solve problem. Solve 2x minus 6y, 2x minus 6y plus 8z, 2x minus 6y plus 8z equals to 24. 2x minus 6y plus 8z equals to 24. 5x plus 4y, 5x plus 4y minus 3z equals to 2, 3x plus y plus 2z, 3x plus y plus 2z equals to 16. Okay, 2x plus minus 6y plus 8z equals to 24. 5x plus 4y minus 3z equals to 2. 3x plus y plus 2z equals to 16. So you have to solve this system of equations using LU factorization method. So the matrix A, so this system of equations can be written as Ax equals to B. So what is A? A equals to the coefficient matrix, that is 2 minus 6, 8, 2 minus 6, 8, 5, 4 minus 3, 3, 1, 2. 2 minus 6, 8, 5, 4 minus 3, 3, 1, 2. And the vector x is the vector x, y, z. And the vector b is 24 to 16. Vector b is 24 to 16. Okay. Suppose A equals to LU. Suppose A equals to LU. Okay. A equals to LU and L equals to the matrix L11 0, lower triangular matrix L11 0 0, L21 L22 L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33, L31 L32 L33. This is the matrix L. Okay, and the matrix U is 1 U12 U13 01 U23 01 U23 001. This is the matrix U. Now LU equals to A implies L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33. U is 1 U12 U13 01 U23 001 equals to matrix A. What is the matrix A? Matrix A is 2 minus 6 8, 2 minus 6 8, 5 4, 2 minus 6 8, 5 4 minus 3, 5 4 minus 3, 3 1 2. 2 minus 6 8, 2 minus 6 8, 5 4 minus 3, 3 1 2. Okay. Now matrix multiplication, simple matrix multiplication. First row, first column. So L11 into 1, L11 into 1 equals to 2. That implies L11 equals to 2. Next, first row, second column. So L11 into U12 equals to minus 6. Now L11 is 2, so U12 is minus 6 by 2, it is minus 3. So U12 is minus 3. Next, first row, third column. So L11 into U13, L11 into U13 into 0 into U23 plus 0 into 1, that is 8. Now L11 is 2, so U13 is 8 by 2, it is 4. So U13 is 4. Okay. This is first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Next. Second row, first column. So L21 into 1 plus L22 into 0 plus 0 into 0 equals to 5. So L21 equals to 5. L21 is 5. Next, second row, second column. So L21 into U12, L21 into U12 plus L22 plus L22. L22 equals to 4. L22 equals to 4. Now L21 is what? L21 is 5. U12 is minus 3. U12 is minus 3 plus L22 equals to 4. So L22 equals to this is 15 minus 15 plus 4, it is 19. So L22 equals to 19. Okay. Next, second row, third column. So L21 into U13 plus L22 into U23, L22 into U23 plus 0 into 1 equals to minus 3. What is L21? L21 is 5. U13 is 4. L22 is 19 into U23. U23 equals to minus 3. So calculate U23. U23 is minus 23 by 19. So U23 equals to minus 23 by 19. Next, third row, first column. L31 into 1 equals to 5. L31 into 1 equals to 5. So L31 equals to 5. Okay. Next, third row, second column. So L31 into U12, plus L32. L31 into U12 plus L32 equals to 1. Okay. Now what is L31? L31 is 5. U12 is minus 3 plus L32. L32 equals to 1. So L32 equals to L31 is 5. L31 is 5. U12 is minus 3. L31 is 5. U12 is minus 3 plus L32 equals to 1. So it is minus 15 plus L32 equals to minus 15 plus L32. What is? Now see, one mistake is here. L31, third row, first column. L31 into 1 plus L32 into 0 plus L33 into 0 equals to 3. This is not 5, this is 3. So L31 is 3. Next, third row, second column. L31 into U12 plus L32 equals to 1. Now L31 is what? L31 is 3. So 3 into minus 3 plus L32 equals to 1. So L32 equals to 10. L32 equals to 10. Next, third row, third column. L31 into U13 plus L32 into U23 plus L33. L33 equals to 2. Now L31 is what? L31 is 3. U13 is 4 plus L32 is 10. U23 is minus 23 by 19 plus L33 equals to 2. L32 equals to 2. So just simplify and find L33. L33 is 1. So L33 equals to 1. So the matrix L is the lower triangle matrix L11. L11 is 2, 0, 0. L21 is 5. L22 is 19, 19, 0. L31 is 3. L32 is 10 and L33 is just simplify. This is 14. Just simplify. L33 is 40 by 19. This is 40 by 19. L33 is 40 by 19. L33 is 40 by 19. So L is 200, 590, 200, 590, 310, 40 by 19. 310, 40 by 19. L is 200, 590, 310, 40 by 19. And the upper triangular matrix U is 1, U12. U12 is -3, U13 is 4, 1 minus 3, 4, 0, 1, U23. U23 is minus 23 by 19. U23 is minus 23 by 19. So 1 minus 3, 4, 0, 1 minus 23 by 19, 0, 0, 1. Okay. This is the matrix L, this one is U. Now, what is A? We have the system of equations. Ax equals to B. Now we decompose the matrix A into product of two matrices L and U. L is lower triangular matrix, U is upper triangular matrix. Okay. Let Ux equals to Y. Then Ly equals to B. Ux equals to Y implies Ly equals to B. So we have a system of equations Ax equals to B. Now we convert this system of equations into two system of equations. Ux equals to Y and Ly equals to B. Now L is known, B is known. First calculate Y, then put Y here. U known, Y known, calculate X. What is Y? Let Y equals to the vector Y1, Y2, Y3. Y1, Y2, Y3. So first we have to solve the Y equals to B system. L, this is L, that is the system 200, 200, 519, 519, 0, 310, 310, 40 by 19. This is L and the Y, this is L. So the L system Ly equals to B implies L. L is 200, 519, 0, 200, 519, 0, 310, 310, 40 by 19. 310, 40 by 19 and Y is Y1, Y2, Y3 equals to B. B is what? B is for 24 to 16. 24 to 16. Just matrix multiplication. So 2y1 equals to 24, 5y1 plus 19, 5y1 plus 19 y2, 5y1 plus 19 y2 equals to 2, 3y1 plus 10 y2 plus 40 by 19 y3 equals to 16. So 2y1 equals to 24, 5y1 plus 19 y2, that's matrix multiplication. 2y1 plus 0 into y2 plus 0 into y3 equals to 24. 5y1 plus 19 y2 equals to 2. 3y1 plus 10 y2 plus 40 by 19 y3 equals to 16. So 2y1 equals to 24 implies y1 is what? y1 equals to 12. So y1 equals to 12. Now put y1 equals to 12 here. y1 is 12. So 5 into 12, 60. This is minus 58. So y2 is, just put y1 equals to 12 here and calculate y2. y2 is minus 58 by 19. y2 is minus 58 by 19. Now y1 equals to 12, y2 equals to minus 58 by 19. y1 12, y2 is minus 58 by 19. Put these two values and calculate y3. So y3 equals to 5. y3 equals to 5. Okay. So the vector y equals to, the vector y equals to, so the vector capital Y equals to y1. y1 is 12, y2 is minus 58 by 19, y3 is 5. This is the vector y. Okay. Now we have to solve the system ux equals to y. Ux equals to y. What is u? U is 1 minus 3 4, 1 minus 3 4, 0 1 minus 23 by 19, 0 1 minus 23 by 19, 0 0 1. And the vector x is x y z. This is the vector. So ux equals to y. This is u 1 minus 3 4, 0 1 minus 23 by 19, 1 minus 3 4, 0 1 minus 23 by 19, 0 0 1. Now x is what? X y z equals to y. Y is 12 minus 58 by 19, 12 minus 58 by 19, 5. Now just matrix multiplication. X minus 3y, x minus 3y plus 4z equals to 12, x minus 3y plus 4z equals to 12, 0x plus y minus 23 by 19 z equals to minus 58 by 19, and z equals to 5. So x minus 3y plus 4z equals to 12, y minus 23 by 19, z equals to 58 by 19, minus 58 by 19, and z equals to 5. Now z equals to 5, put here and calculate a y. Put z equals to 5 in the second equation. Put z equals to 5 in the second equation. Calculate y. Put z equals to 5 and calculate y. Y is 3. Okay? Y is 3. Put z equals to 5 here and calculate y. Now put y equals to 3 and z equals to 5 in the first equation. In the first equation, put y equals to 3 and z equals to 5 and calculate x. X is 1. Okay? So the solution is x equals to 1, y equals to 3, z equals to 5. X equals to 1, y equals to 3, z equals to 5. This is the solution of the given system of equations by LU factorization method. Okay? So we can stop now. Now take one homework. Just write the homework. Problem. Just write solve 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y plus 10z, 2x minus 3y plus 10z equals to 3, 2x minus 3y plus 10z equals to 3, minus x plus 4y, minus x plus 4y plus 2z, minus x plus 4y plus 2z equals to 20, 5x plus 2y, 5x plus 2y plus z equals to minus 12. Okay? 2x minus 3y plus 10z equals to 3, minus x plus 4y plus 2z equals to 20, 5x plus 2y plus z equals to minus 12. Using LU factorization method. LU factorization method. Just write answer. Answer is x equals to minus 4, y equals to 3, x equals to minus 4, y equals to 3, z equals to 2. This is the answer. Okay? So you can stop now. Next day we will start next tridiagonal matrix algorithm. Okay? Thank you.